Presiden ke BJP ke Meghalaya Rikman Momin ulepan pau bagseng BJP kanang kiawa ke jela akaba ule thu ba Ngut ki brio giladap ban pan tiket na kaseng menekun ki election steng samoy syak lok sabha umumin ule thu ba gane ka degasian ke babon tam ki ban tiket na ke BJP ke bapan i ba jing shania ki pat ba klanan kiyo ndai ki kerteng an se bishar bnia de kinong yalam bahalor bat an sepen mana tat adian bala bishar bnia ke jing kershan ki pat ba bat kalat ban yo ke jing job nalor kane ke jing pen kre ya ke election steng samoy Unu presiden ula pentip ru bakal san partai ha Meghalaya kelanang keladur hagi singi banwan namar kumbalai ngut ki MLA ki berang bat ya kakam keladap banin selok bagaseng bak kidan gejing terang ban peneso no bak BJP bat pensyai bak gejing esok kan salong tat ado banajan kapor ke election ki yang dor bartho an kejela Umumin uli itu susu penelor ki MLA ke bedang don hakakam gidan ru kumba ar lan nilai ngut ki MLA Barim bat kiwai bat kiru pau kemat hakakam san pertai ke Thmu wan penesok berkeseng. Nadu ubnai jemang ke jengesok juga ni gibreu kan sedang bat kanya cekmat nadu kekerdan mandal kumbali i ha ke sisat jahan ke belala ha ke ba kumba sis pangut gibreu ke penesok bat ke BJP. Ulang bagani ke peni bageseng kalau pelak jumut ba ban penklan nadu kitenrai jong kesor bat kitan nong kendong.
Actually, we have already 7 aspirant candidate for Shillong Lok Sabha. Out of these, I will not name anyone, and maybe still to come. So we are preparing, and we will, after completing all the formalities and after the instruction of the central leadership, we will be sending the proposed names. So this time is very highest aspirant candidates are there. That's what I am telling you. I will not name right now. And as soon as the central leadership asks for the names who have a good reputation or good popularity or a good party organizer, so we will be giving according to it. There is at least 2 or 3 former MLAs. Right now, former MLAs will be joining, and one of the popular leaders, they will be joining. By May, we are expecting some of them to join, and it will be keep on going. And moreover, they have started from the mandal level. They have started joining. Like this time Saturday, at least 100 people has been joined in Marangre area. We have already received 3.
From sitting MLAs.
Yes, from sitting MLA. Yeah, we of course we have a very setback from last Lok Sabha, to be frank. But now the party is going very strong. Every mandal is strong, and if there is some weak mandal, we are rectifying it. We have asked everyone, and every month our central leadership has asked us to have a district meeting, mandal meeting, and booth level meeting too. So our organization is 24 into 7 working day for us. It's a very hectic. We have seen in the interior part, for example, West Khasi Hills and East Khasi Hills, we are having and even in Jaintia Hills, we are giving people started accepting. Now we don't have to knock their door. People are calling us. People are calling us to have a joining meeting in every mandals. So like this week, West Jaintia Hills, they are calling us to have a meeting. So like that, we will be keep on started working.